Hey, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to take you through this kind of nighttime glam-ish look, like a smoky look. Would probably look a lot more glamorous if I wasn't in my hoodie, but hey, isolation. I'm just going to be spending my night made up in front of the TV on the couch. So I didn't really know what I was doing. I just made this up as I go along, so follow for a bit of a laugh. Actually, I think it turned out okay. Just follow. Just watch the rest. Hey guys, I don't really know what I'm doing tonight. I just grabbed a bunch of palettes and I'm gonna make it up as I go along. So fun for you. I just grabbed my Tarte Pro, my Tarte Clay Play, and I've also got the Urban Decay Naked 3 as well, which I may or may not use as well. So let's get started and see what happens. It's the fun thing about makeup, right? You can just make it up as you go along. Using the Tarte Clay Play palette, I'm using the shade Journey. You can tell I use this palette a lot. Journey is just a good transition shade. It's a nice light brown. So taking that into and slightly above the crease, and we'll just windscreen wipe emotions. To say windscreen and windshield at the same time, and my brain did not compute what was going on. I think I'm going to do like maybe a smoky brown look. Might have a bit of colour in there too. It is Saturday night after all. Saturday night in isolation. Also become a singer in isolation. Surely I'm not the only one going crazy though, so you will forgive me. I'm going to, I just use a tapered brush for every crease thing that I do, and follow that up with a fluffy blending brush to get rid of the harsh lines. Awkward, my housemate's in the shower, so he's not going to hear me talking to myself like a crazy person in my room. Yes. Next I'm going to use one of the contour shades on my eyes, from the Clay Play palette again. This one's called Timber. I'm gonna, what am I gonna do with this one? I think I'll put it all over my lid, but also a little bit in the crease as well, just not taking it quite as high as the Journey shade. Just get that corner. This is the reason why we blend. Oh, this eye keeps on watering on me today, so it's going a bit mental on this side, but again, hopefully my blending brush will take care of that. I think I might do like a halo type of thing, so this will go on the entire. Oh, to make this halo easier, let's just smudge my whole eye with this colour. And I got it all over my face too. This is why I usually do my base last, because I'm gonna have to go and clean that up somehow. Fun, fun, fun. YouTube always picks the most unflattering like preview picture for my videos. It's gonna be this. 100%. I know I can go in and change it, but half the time I'm too lazy to. Jesus Christ. Just gonna get the old sleeve to go in with that one because I forgot to bring some like cotton pads in. I find darker shades take a little bit longer to blend, so if you do, don't worry, it's totally normal. I'm going to take that shade underneath my eyes as well, if I can find what I did with my brush. Here it is. Again, you can use this brush is really good for creases and this outer corner area. As you saw, I used this also on the rest of my eye and underneath. On this part of my eye, I would usually use a flatter brush, and you can also use a smaller brush underneath your eyes, but I try to make these looks as accessible as possible and don't want anyone to feel like they have to have this massive soiree of brushes at their disposal. Oh god, I can always tell when I've put on too much foundation. These lines get real. Next, again using the Clay Play palette, I'm going to use the shade Onyx, which is this black one here, with the tiniest little dab, because black travels far. It's so pigmented, you really only want the tiniest part. Now that I've said that, it's probably not even going to show up at all. Oh no, yeah, we've definitely got some on there. Just on my outer corner of my this eye clip's watering and driving me nuts. Just that happened to anyone else, their eyes water while they're doing their makeup, and it just really ruins your eyeshadow day. Makes it all like muddy. Gonna have to blend the hell out of that. I'll take it under my eye a little bit as well. Not the full length of my lower lash line, just in the corner there. Okay, this will take me half an hour to blend this bad boy, so sorry. I need some fun elevator music. Okay, yeah, I shouldn't do that myself, so. Oh god, this is no, not ready to be unleashed yet. Stay back, stay back. Okay, what should I do next? I did say I was going to have a crack at using a few other palettes. Did not. What can we add to this? Alright, I think I'm going to use this in the Tarte Pro palette, use the shade Minx, which is like a browny purpley metallic color. That's what it looks like. It didn't really come out very well. I will wet my finger because then it should come out better. It's kind of like, yeah, not very purpley. Now questioning whether I wanting to use it. It's a brown metallic with a little hint of purple. Do I have anything a bit more purple? Might mix some shades and see how I go. Just opening up, I don't even know what this is called. The pineapple palette. It's not called that. It's from Tarte. Is this color tropical? Oh no! Oh, that looks purpley. It's not at all. It's weird how colors can look so different in the palette than like in real life. I think what I will do is mix the what's that? Not onyx, Mimi something. Minx and Resort together and see how I go. I'm gonna use my finger to apply, and I've wet that as well to make it come out easier. And I'm just gonna dab it in the middle. Oh, I like that color actually. Oh. Dropping stuff all over the place. Please don't ever expect my shoots to be all professional and polished. It's just really not gonna happen. I'm gonna always be dropping stuff everywhere, messing things up. Really, this is who I am as a person. I really like this shade. Yep. Going to also chuck some highlighter on my inner corners. Gold or silver. Let's try using the who I am as a person, Tarte Pro Glow 2 Go. I'm going to use the top shade, which is Gleam, which is the more silvery one. Actually you can use your finger this, I do it all the time. I don't know why I picked up a brush, just trying to be all fancy. Why? So much easier. I'm gonna have to clean that up too. I'm gonna blend this a little bit. I usually don't blend metallics because it gets rid of their glitteriness, but sometimes I want to just make them a little less full on. Cool, I think that's it for shadow. I'm going to spare you all the pain of watching me take 45 minutes to figure out my eyeliner and chuck on my mascara, because that's really not interesting and I'm not going to teach you anything. So this will not be a seamless transition. I'll click my fingers, but then like you're going to watch me turn off the camera and turn it back on again anyway. Okay, so that's done. I actually did not struggle with putting on my eyeliner tonight. I think I just can't do it to camera. It's like the pressure gets to me. I think it also helps when I have my elbow resting up against something when I put it on. I used the Tarte Sex Kitten liner for my top liner. I also used this cake pencil from Kat Von D that is blurry and also back to front, so probably not helping anyway. Yeah, this is just a pencil eyeliner from Kat Von D. I did my top and bottom waterline with this as well, just to give it some extra drama. I also put on some lipstick because I forgot to turn the camera back on. Yeah, that's me. I used a Colour Splash lipstick from Tarte again in the shade Salt Life. It's this cool little pinky brownie movie colour. It looks like this. So yeah, thanks for tuning in again. If you want me to create any looks using a specific color or for any specific event, let me know in the comments. And if you want to see me struggle to make this happen again, hit subscribe and you should get a little notification when I pop up my next one. Alright, see you next time, guys.